Okay, we want to do an update on this four-wheel drive pickup, Coyote swaps, Coyote kits, four-wheel drive. This is kind of where we're at. So we've already got the crew cab, four-wheel drive stuff worked out. So that's kind of a pain in the neck, but this is a little bit easier for us. So we've got a Coyote motor. It's actually a truck motor, Coyote motor that we're using. And we've kind of got it placed about where we want it. We've left enough room for a couple different front runner kits that people use. And then now we're just going to finish fabbing up the transmission cross members and a few adjustments to the motor mounts. And so hopefully within a week we've got this truck figured out, we know what we're doing with it, and then we're going to be ready to kind of move forward and produce these kits. We definitely want to fit this in the 67 to 72. I need to check that frame out, which we have that truck here. So right after we finish this, we're going right into that. We're going to double check that frame. Once we know that's good, then we're going to start making a bunch of kits for all the four-wheel drive guys. And so pretty excited to finally get to this point. It's been kind of a long, frustrating process, but we wanted to make sure it was useful for everybody and that we made it as simple, and all the components that you get with a Mustang or a truck, you could potentially use those if you wanted to be more budget minded. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll do a follow-up on all these trucks when we finally get the kits and everything ready to go, but we're getting really close, so stay tuned. Coyote swaps, four-wheel drive kits in your F100, F150, F250, F350. Thanks.